Also got the sun.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
Alright, good morning guys. As you can see, this is where we backed in last night. I don't know why anybody didn't try to back in next to me. There was 3 spots last night when I went to sleep. There's still 3 spots there. There was 4 spots when I backed in. It was like, there's a blind side, so it was kind of like, but like when I started, I had to start all the way up here, you know, to get that angle. But I got it in, and then I moved it over one because I ended up being in like 1 spot over, but I wanted to be closer to the truck. So it's, see, like all these people parked up here, bro. Like it wasn't that hard. Like, so I'm surprised. Like if it was like 1 spot, yeah, don't even try it. But there's literally 3 open spots. Like I like go for it, you know. But anyways, we got 49 miles to cover this morning, and then we're delivering. And I'm curious if this says cars only, but this guy's exiting, I'm exiting, whatever. It's not like there's anything low, it's just, it's whatever. But we are gonna go deliver this, and we're probably gonna call Cornell this morning and just let him know, because GP just recently changed. It's no longer, what the heck are we waiting on, bro? It's no longer you send like a text over text message. Like if you want to talk to your fleet manager, you got to send him a message on Samsara, which kind of sucks because it's a huge change. And hopefully it's just as fast as texting, because texting was really fast, but there might be a delay like there was on OmniTrax. So I'm just gonna give him a call this morning and let him know I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Get out of my face. What else can I say? I hear you die twice. Once when they bury you in the grave, and the second time is the last time somebody mentions your name. So when I leave here on this earth. So we made it to the place we're delivering. The reason we came down to this cul-de-sac is there's another driver parked down here, so I thought he was like going into this dock. So I was like waiting in line behind him, but I guess I probably could have just backed into the open dock. So I had to do something a little weird here. Kind of strange. I'm gonna make a U-turn here. Good thing there's a lot of room here though. Travel in more. That's too much. Then you go left and straight. Should be good. Pull up to the left here. Maybe some more room on that side. It's hard to see, and the only thing they have are those like little yellow things. I also got the sun. Eyes. They have door ripper. I'm gonna shift it over just a little bit because they have door rippers here. I don't want to hit a door ripper, and I can see better out of that blindside mirror, so. For some reason. Alright, now I need to go with this line here. trailer as straight as we can get her. Gosh, bro. I hope I'm not gonna hit this door ripper on my... I think we're good, but... yeah, we're good. Alright. Alright, so we made it here to Munster, Indiana, where our next pickup is. We gotta back this into door 10 and then grab our preloaded trailer, but we had to like literally fight screws to any of the trailer like somewhat clean. We had to fight it, dude. It was crazy. Alright, so we need to cut it up hard here. This. Start working it out here. I can start cutting it out here. Can't tell. We need to shift it over. We got too close to that inside trailer. That's right. Can't really see that line on the ground. I think that's got to be good enough. So we had to have a yard jockey come pull that trailer out of that hole because the trailer was low for one, and two, it was sticking back far enough to where if I backed underneath of it, this mirror would have hit the trailer to my left because that place is just super tight. I'm surprised I got that backed into that hole, honestly. That was pretty impressive if you ask me. That's kind of a little tight back, but I got 6 hours on my clock right now, and I'm about to do another 2-hour sleeper split at the yard, but I should get a couple hours back when I do that, and once I do that, I might have enough hours to get home for a 34. So that'd be pretty cool, dude. Like, I don't even care if they can just get me home for a 34 like once a month. That's cool, but I've been here 3 weeks and this might be the second 34 I can do at home, so that's like super cool, dude. So we'll see how that goes. You know, I got to see how many hours I'm gonna get back after I do my 2-hour split, but I think I'll get like 3 hours. I don't know how many hours I've driven today. 50 miles, 50 miles. So yeah, if I even get 2 hours back, I'll probably have enough time to make it. So we'll just have to see how it goes. Hopefully we don't hit any Chicago traffic here. I'm actually just gonna sit in this lane, I think. So made it back to the terminal. We got to do our 2 hour split here. So we're gonna, this guy is this guy's cool. I'm gonna be on this line, but that's okay. Maybe. Gosh dang it. I'm gonna shift it over just a little bit. There we go. I don't know why we keep going on that line, but whatever. Whatever. Be alright. It's good enough. Alright, we're gonna take our 2 hour break, and then we're gonna hit the road, see how far we can make it today. We stopped at this Love's and got some fuel. This truck driver here is picked the wrong turn lane. What are we doing, buddy? Get over. I have no idea what this guy's game plan is, but he made the wrong turn from the inside lane, and he doesn't even have his turn signal on, so I don't know if he's trying to get over or what. Well, he does now. I didn't see it before, but he turned from the inside lane, and on a double turn lane you're supposed to turn from the outside lane, and he cut over into my lane, as you guys could see clearly. I don't think that guy knows what he's doing though, because I had to wait on him to make a right-hand turn out of that Love's I got fuel at. So anyways, we got 310 miles to go, and then we're going to be at the house for a 34. And yeah, it's kind of nice. It's probably not going to happen as much as I'd like it to, but I'm just going to be happy anytime I can go home for a 34. All right guys, I got parked. We are here for home time. I don't know if it's just the convenient location of where I live and where our GP's based out of, but I've been able to get home here frequently. So I'm gonna go on duty and do a post trip, and then I am gonna go home. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.